Nan, babo ka balen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. Sa vlog na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Fernando, Pampanga, particularly Fernando's Pizza. And we would like to congratulate them for opening. So gagawin natin ngayon guys, titikman natin yung kanilang mga pizza and we'll let you know more. Get interested? Order na po tayo dito. So tara, let's go! Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with me in this video. And pansin nyo naman ang ating table for today. We would like to thank Fernando's Pizza for being such a generous restaurant po. Isa sa mga gusto ko sa mga restaurant na binivisit natin is pinapasimple nila yung buhay natin. So hindi katulad ng mga ibang pizza house na sobrang dami ng mga flavors and pagpipilian. Medyo nako-confuse ka na kung ano talaga yung pipiliin mo, di ba? But this time for Fernando's Pizza, they only have 8 flavors as of now, and they believe that these are, kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-essential ng mga flavors na talaga namang magugustuhan nating mga consumers. So let's talk about the flavors. First off is the veggie, and it's only 279 pesos. Meron tayong Meat Delight, which is 279 pesos din, no? Meron tayong Fernando's Classic Pizza, which is 185 pesos. Meron din tayong famous for cheese pizza, which is for the, cheese lovers dyan. It's only 249 pesos. Meron din tayong pepperoni. I think these are the New York style na, no? It's only 265 pesos. Meron tayong Hawaiian Supreme. So it's only 249 pesos. For the Fernando's Overload, it's 289 pesos. You gotta try this one. You wanna order in this pizza place, no? And you don't know what to order, go for the Fernando's Overload, guys. And then lastly, meron tayong Bacon Overload. It's only 279 pesos. So all of the sizes natin dito are large pizza, which is 12 inches. I gotta say, meron din silang combo for only 49 pesos. So you get juice, which is this one, and then you get a single slice of pepperoni for only 49 pesos. So siguro yun yung quick merienda, di ba? Let's talk about the place naman. The place is actually really cool, no? I gotta say, it's clean. It's modern in design, if I may say, no? And nakita natin kanina while they were preparing yung pizza natin, they got very high-end ginagamit nila for cooking this pizza. That goes to say na talagang they are really serious in providing great pizza sa atin. So they are available via dine-in, and this is the place, ayan. So we have around like 3 sets of table. It can accommodate as of now, siguro maximum of 10 person inside, no? And then available din po sila for delivery. So if you're interested to taste this sa bahay po ninyo, make sure to check them out. All the numbers were gonna be provided in the description below. So let's get into the meat of the details. I wanna go straight din sa kanilang Fernando's Overload, which is this one. So kaninang nag-orientation tayo dito, sabi ko kanina, ano po ba yung bestseller natin dito? And of course, ito yung sinabi nila. Look at that, guys. O, diba? It is Overload with pizza. Ayan. Ito palang titikman natin, matitikman na natin lahat ng mga flavors nila. Because I've heard from their chef na lahat ng mga ingredients ng mga pizza natin is included in this one. So like I told you earlier, kung baguhan po kayo dito and you don't know what to order, go for the Fernando's Overload Pizza. So this one is it. Ayan, guys. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Grabe. For a price of 289 pesos, guys, get tons of, pizza ingredients dito po sa flavor nilang to. I also gotta say, yung dough nila, ito yung dough na gusto ko talaga. Hindi masyadong crusty. It's a little bit soft. Ayan. Good enough to hold yung mga ingredients natin. So you also have some condiments to, amplify po yung flavor natin, like this one. So this is their hot sauce. Yeah. Like it really hot, no? So that was the first flavor we were able to taste. Ooh. So next to taste, guys, is the Meat Delight. The meat has a little bit of smoky aftertaste. Whew. So in it guys, yung usual 4 cheese natin, sharp cheddar, mozzarella, blue cheese, at saka parmesan. Ayan. Another option for non-meat, all veggie. So in it you have mushroom, bell pepper, black olives, yeah, and then some herbs and spices po na on top natin. So there you go. Let's taste this one. So again guys, thanks so much for being with us. Kasama po natin ngayon ang may mga, kumbaga, pakana ng mga pizza natin dito.
I'm Mark. You can call me Marvin.
Okay.
I've been cooking for 5 years.
5 years? Wow!
5 years and counting. I'm John Paul Serrano, but you can call me JP.
JP, okay.
I'm cooking 2 years.
Sa mga ganitong pagkain, ano yung sikreto ng masarap na pizza?
First, syempre yung cooking, dapat bigyan mo ng pagmamahal.
What? Bigyan mo ng pagmamahal. Then ano pa?
Syempre, yung mga ingredients, dapat panatilihin natin fresh.
If you're interested to know more about this po, we're gonna include po yung fan page nila. So, make sure to check them out. And guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, ayan, kung natakam po namin kayo dito, we serve our purpose. So make sure to give this video a like, a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys!
At katando ka pumunta kayo ni Fernando's Pizza, kayo po Sindalan, Camp Building, Paraiso Street, para po atakman nyo po rin yung kaya kaming walong flavor na pizza, nanyak po